Welcome back to acrylic painting with me, Julie E. This is acrylic painting with Julie E. And yeah, that's me right there. And what I'm doing is I was on a live with Tish Winter, Angie Mason, Karen Peabody, Janice Pittman, Michael Sean Carter, and we were getting our colors on, and it was a lot of fun. I used all Arteza Pearl Paints for mine. What this is Pearl Strawberry Red by Arteza. And what I'm going to attempt to do is a pearl pour using nothing but Arteza Pearl Paints. And we're using Artists Loft Flow Black. That's just thinned out a little. These are all mixed. Every one of them is mixed with 70% school glue, 30% water, each thinned with water to consistency. And then, yeah, the black we just make a little bit thinner. This color here is Arteza's Pearl Tangerine Orange. Really pretty. The reason I am playing kind of a flashback video, if you will, is because my foot is still in the boot shoe. This color is Arteza's Pearl Golden Hour. Really pretty shade of yellow that gets really pretty gold when it's dry. Very gorgeous. But yeah. Still in the boot shoe and finding it hard to stand for long periods of time. And so, yeah, it's hard for me to tip a canvas when I have to sit. So, yeah, got my own little quirks going on around here lately. So yeah, I thought, oh, you know what? I still have the footage from this one, so let's put this up, because I don't know if most of you have seen it or not. This color is really pretty. This is Arteza's Pearl Rose Quartz. Yeah, the only difference in consistency is the black is mixed a little bit thinner. It has a little bit extra water in it. But otherwise, they're all mixed. 1 part paint, 2 parts pouring medium. That green is so beautiful and luscious. That is Arteza Pearl Pastel Green. I just love their whole line of pastel paints. And I'm gonna get the last of that green out, and then we're gonna pour on some black and start tilting it all out, and wait and watch for the magic to happen. So I am going to go ahead and speed this up here in a second, and then put on some fun music for you guys. Thank you so much for being here. If you enjoy this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for being here. I will see you at the end for dry results. Back in a bit. Here it is all dry. How pretty is that? Look at those Arteza Pearl Paint pearls. That was a little bit of a tongue twister. Aren't they just so pretty? You can just barely see some of the light green around the yellows. Really pretty. In certain lights it looks very coppery, and then in other lights it looks very berrylicious. I'm loving this. I am loving it. I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I did creating it. Lance, I believe, is taking July off from the Monday Night Locomotive, but we still have Angie Mason Fluid Art and Kristen and Kayla of K&K Create. Please go check out their channels. I'll have the links for them here in chat and in the description of this video. Just click on the title, it'll take you right to the description. Loves and hugs you all. Bye!